What is Kefron AP? Why did we invent the platform? It's a productivity tool that easily captures, processes, and delivers invoices to NetSuite ready for payment. So we can start to eliminate manual processes, reduce approval time, and just improve general visibility and transparency. What does it mean to have a platform like Kefron doing the AP legwork? Well, if you think about Kefron as a system, it's a cloud-based platform just like NetSuite. And really the challenge for finance functions is you've got documents, physical, mostly digital, I'd imagine, coming at you from lots of different places and in different formats and through various different channels. And so what Kefron exists to do is almost act as an invoice filtration system. So if you think of it from a start to finish process, invoice comes in, the system will extract the data, it will be validated and approved either manually or in most cases automatically, and then it will be sent ready for payment. So that's the concept. Free Trade is an app-based stocks and shares investment tool. They've been using NetSuite for a few years now, and really what they wanted was something that's just really, really easy to use and really would scan the invoice documents as opposed to them having to manually type data in. So they wanted something to attach onto NetSuite easily and really just do that data entry work so that they don't have to. Totally different business, Emma Bridgewater. They're based up in Stoke in Staffordshire, and they produce beautiful ceramics. But what they want to do is really just repoint the finance team to do some other stuff, right? So more strategic work, and really what they want to do is spend less time entering data and more time looking at it. So they're now using that time to do more reconciliation work, to do more reporting on suppliers that they work with, and really start to use that time to form better relationships with their supply base and negotiate better terms and rates. It's hard to do that if all you're doing is processing invoices. Thinking about other companies that use NetSuite and obviously use Kefron too. So here's a sample. These are all existing NetSuite users who are automating their invoices through Kefron, different sectors. And yeah, I guess the common theme is they're kind of small to mid-size, all growing organizations use financials first as their underlying accounting system and get benefit from automating their invoice processes through Kefron. So really when you're thinking about this and you want to try and get your head around what the justification or the business case, I mean, the obvious question to ask yourself is how long does it take your team to put invoices into NetSuite? So you take the number and you look at how many invoices that are problem invoices, how many go straight through or are more easily processed, and then just try and figure out how much time you're spending. And then say to yourself, okay, well, how much of that time do we want to be spending doing other stuff, right? And obviously you can square that with how fast you're growing and what the invoice volumes might be in the future.